You were lucky last time. You won't be lucky again.
The film begins unveiling the vibrant cityscape of Los Angeles. A highly skilled team of thieves, led by Anthony Fett and his brother Miles, moves with calculated precision through the shadows. Each member of the crew has a specific role. Daria and Tommy enter the bank to divert the guards' attention, while Anthony and his associate delve deeper into the building to execute their plan. Their target is a high-security vault containing a cache of enigmatic black diamonds, rumored to be worth millions. The team works in perfect harmony, deftly disabling alarms and circumventing motion sensors. Meanwhile, we are introduced to Sue, a Taiwanese intelligence agent who listens intently to a call from a mafia member discussing the impending diamond heist. Utilizing his hacking devices, Sue gathers critical information about the operation. After successfully stealing the diamonds, Anthony proposes that they split into two groups to evade capture, as law enforcement surrounds the building. They sprint toward the railway tracks, parting ways in opposite directions. Anthony and Daria manage to escape by climbing aboard a passing train. While Miles is ambushed by Sue, who demands the stolen diamonds.
The stones.
Back at home, Anthony presents one of the stolen diamond necklaces to his beloved daughter as a gift. Later, the crew reconvenes to divide their spoils, but Miles arrives with troubling news. He was ambushed by a Chinese man who took his bag of diamonds. Meanwhile, we see Yao Ling arriving for their illicit dealings. Returning to Anthony, he meets his friend Archie and hands him one of the diamonds for examination. Just as he plans to leave, Sue confronts him, demanding the diamonds. Initially dismissive, Anthony learns from Sue that these are no ordinary diamonds, they are plutonium-based weapons cleverly disguised as diamonds. Suddenly, Anthony receives a call from Yao Ling, insisting he bring the diamonds in exchange for his daughter's safety. Distressed and desperate, Anthony races away but soon finds himself pursued by unknown gunmen. In a fit of rage, he traps them and retaliates, leading to a fierce confrontation.
Here's your offer.
Just in time, Sue arrives to rescue him.
The car!
Determined to uncover who is behind his daughter's abduction, Sue and Anthony visit a mafia boss in prison, a former close associate of Anthony's before their falling out. Although tensions rise with the boss's right-hand man, Sue handles the situation and they leave without any valuable information. Later, Sue and Archie hop into a vehicle and head to an underground cage fighting event in search of more leads.
You know the rules, man.
He's not a guest, he's a fighter.
Him? Is he any good? You're
All right.
You're number 12.
I didn't come here to fight.
Next up, 8 versus 12. Fighters report to the cage. Unofficial entry number 12.
Ball's right here!
Not today.
However, Sue is unexpectedly thrust into the cage and forced to fight.
$2,000 on the white guy.
Let's go!
Refusing to comply initially, he declares his opponent the winner but is soon coerced back into the ring and retaliates fiercely.
You win.
No quitting. Get your ass back in there. Put me down. Come on.
Come on, get up, get out of here! Get out of here! $5,000 on the Chinaman. He's my friend.
After the match, he discovers that Archie had set him up to profit from betting against him. Just then, Archie points out a man they need to question before speeding away into the night. Yao Ling pays a visit to the mafia boss in prison, knowing full well that he has the connections to uncover the whereabouts of the stolen diamonds. However, when the mafia boss fails to provide any useful information, Yao Ling resorts to violence, murdering him and his guard to eliminate any potential loose ends. Meanwhile, Anthony and Sue head to the secret location where Anthony had hidden the diamonds, only to find the place in complete disarray. As they search the fountain for clues, it becomes painfully clear that Yao Ling has already been there. He has taken the diamonds and left a trail of destruction in his wake. With malicious intent, he is plotting something significant involving the precious stones. In his lair, Yao Ling tests one of the diamonds in a device, and he is stunned to discover its power exceeds his expectations. Back at Anthony's hideout, he and his team are in a state of distress, poring over every detail to gather more information while Sue is on a phone call with his superiors. In a desperate bid for freedom, Anthony's daughter manages to escape her confines within a van. She begins searching for anything that could assist her and eventually finds a phone. With urgency, she calls her father, pleading for him to come and get her. As she struggles to describe her surroundings, she mentions seeing green lights and chairs but cannot discern much beyond that. She informs Anthony that she is trapped inside a large warehouse. Just as she begins to provide more details about her location, the phone suddenly dies. Confused and frantic, Anthony gathers his team to brainstorm possible locations where she could be held. Archie reveals that a site has seen 7 private helicopters land in just 1 hour, raising alarm bells. As the tension escalates, Archie uncovers critical intelligence. Yao Ling intends to sell the black diamonds to a Middle Eastern arms syndicate. Determined to save his daughter, Anthony's crew unites once more, combining their skills in hacking, driving, and combat for one final mission. Inside the warehouse, Yao Ling begins auctioning off the diamonds, with eager bidders ready to pay exorbitant sums. Amidst this high-stakes environment, chaos erupts into a full-scale battle as helicopters hover overhead and Yao Ling's men open fire on Anthony's team. As Anthony searches frantically for his daughter, he discovers one of Yao Ling's men pursuing her, leading to a tense confrontation.
Wrong kid! Definitely the wrong father.
Meanwhile, Yao Ling attempts to make his escape but is intercepted by Su, resulting in a fierce struggle.
What now? You shot him in the ass!
In the midst of the chaos, Anthony finally locates his daughter and rescues her from captivity. An overwhelming wave of emotional relief washes over him as he carries her to safety, leaving behind a hangar engulfed in flames. While Su secures the diamonds for return to the authorities, Anthony and his crew slip away into the city's shadows. Their criminal past looms uncertainly behind them, but their bonds remain unbreakable as they move forward together. Thank you for watching. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more recaps. Until next time, have a wonderful day.